saith Hafren 2. Rwy'n gobeithio bod chi gyd yn iawn. A pwy bydde wedi meddwl, ar ôl 2 ddiwrnod gyda fi, chi adref unwaith eto. Rwy'n gobeithio bod chi gyd yn iawn a rwy'n wirioneddol mwynhau edrych ar yr holl waith chi'n neud o adref a rwy'n wedi bod yn edrych trwyddo eich jigsaws a gweld pwy sy'n lle nhw'n gyflym iawn ac edrych trwy gym kit a gweld eich holl sgoriau uchel dros ben. Rwy'n edrych mlaen yn fawr iawn at weld chi'n dod nôl i'r ysgol achos rwy wedi gweld eisiau chi, does neb yma yn y bwrau a rhagor, felly cadwch lan y gwaith ardderchog a welai chi cyn hir. Au revoir! Hello parents, I'm Miss Francis, I'm South Hafren 2's form tutor and I'm really hoping that they're all safe and well now and enjoying the work that's being set for them at home. It's very strange here because we had 2 lovely days settling them in and now it's very quiet in the mornings, so I'm really looking forward to seeing them coming back soon, safe and sound. I've also been the one setting the French work for them so I can have a look at their gym kit scores and see how they're doing with the jigsaws. So I know some of them are making really good progress and I'm enjoying adding points on class charts to see who will be the winner having done all that hard work. So while it's very quiet here, I know it's very busy with you. So I hope to see them all back soon. Bye for now.